Yeah, it's official. I'm a redneck. I'm trying to get these 40-inch tires to fit. All right, so when you lift these first gen Dodges with the Dana 44, they have studs on the inside of the leaf spring plate instead of a U-bolt. So you got to remove these studs, and they send you a longer. Oh, it's just a bolt, grade 8 bolt. So yeah, we just got the MIG, Lincoln Electric MIG hooked up, and we're just gonna zap those nuts on there and get those studs out, and then we can put our springs back in. That's the new U-bolt for the outside. Okay, as you can see, got those welded on there very nicely, as I may say myself. Yeah, I'm impressed with that. Impressed with how good I did there. Anyways, so the heat helps. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, no problem. So yeah, these are fine thread on the top, and then I think they're 9/16 coarse thread on the bottom. Okay, so we got our new helper spring in there, and we're jacking it up into place. And we got the, what do you call that, centering bolt? Oh geez, I guess we can't get in there. Yeah, the centering bolt. So I saw another YouTuber doing this, and he mentioned that the torque specs is 11 foot-pounds, and he said that he didn't think that was enough. Now, guys, the bolt is only there to center your springs. The U-bolt is what holds it in place. So after he tightened his U-bolts, he tightened his centering bolt down as hard as he could. Now, you don't want to do that, because then you're putting stress on the center of the springs, which is the weakest point because it has a hole drilled in it. Let the plate do its job, apply even pressure across the entire spring, and then you won't get cracks in the center. The bolt is only there to center your leaf springs. So let's see what we can do. Yeah, well, no. Okay, well, put a wrench on that, and okay, so yeah, there's the new U-bolt. Tucks in a little groove there, and those bolts are way too short, so we're gonna get some more bolts, but we're getting there. All right, so we got the U-bolts in, tightened down. So we doubled our spring pack, so we got 6 instead of 3. I did find a crack in the frame. I ground it out so I can get a bead in there. And also this bracket here on the front of the leaf spring is cracked off. I had to bend that back into place, and I got a pry bar in there right now holding it down, but that was all out of whack, and that hole is bad, so that'll need some attention down the road. But I just need to get this thing driving and get her back to work. So I'm gonna weld that up and weld this part of the snowplow. That side's already been bugger welded, so I'll weld this side up, and then I gotta fix the trans leak, and we're good to go. Gonna be rolling on 40s. Got that booger welded. Yeah, looks really good. Got that welded there. Welded that. bracket back into shape, kind of. And then put a nice bead there, and bugger welded the bracket back into place. The moment of truth. Did we accomplish what we needed to? Trying to get these 40-inch tires to fit. Probably gonna have to get some wheel spacers. Probably gonna have to trim the body, but I think we lifted it about 4 or 5, maybe 6 inches. All right, well, it actually fits, barely. All right, so we got to do some clearancing and get some spacers. All right, so we got our 2-inch spacers. Got those mounted on here. So now on this side, you can see it just clears with a chain, but that was where it was binding and rubbing before when you turned hard to the right. So now we've got full steering in both directions, and chains on all 4 tires. So the old Causeway Marina plow truck is gonna have a new life here for sure. We got some 12.5 80s tractor tires on some Gen 4 around 18 on the old 1st gen power ram with the 7.5 foot. They were out of tractor flaps.
Yeah, that's awesome.